I'm back. Welcome to our Bajan home. Thanks for clicking on that video. I'm really excited to finally share my home tour with you. So now we are in the laundry room. We have access to it from the backyard, and we also use it as an entrance because we have a rug, shoe rack, and some hangers. And the main reason is because we also have an easy access to the outdoor shower, and it's really convenient when we come back from the beach. The thing that I love the most about the space is the natural light. There's a lot coming in by that window. That's about it for the thing that I love. There's a lot of work to do here, but I have a great vision. I want to do an inviting space since it's the first look you have into the house, and I want it to be clean and practical. Everything you see here is temporary. I've used stuff that we had. It's ugly, I know, but I want to build some cabinets with counter beside the sink, and I also want to do a DIY to cover it because it's ugly. And I want to build a big wardrobe to have some space to store the linen, the tools, the towels, the dog food, and all the things that we want to hide. In the laundry room, I want to build some cabinets beside the utility sink. Those ones are really practical, but not very good looking. I also want to build a big wardrobe to add some storage, cover the window with bamboo blinds, put some light on the wall, add a shelf on top of the one that is already there with some glass jar, home decor, and maybe some plants. And the last project I really want to tackle is a ceiling clothes rack. So from here, we jump into the kitchen. I love that space, and my favorite thing is the high ceilings and the color of the cabinet. It's already nice, but I want to do some project to make it even better. I want to reorganize all of my cabinets. It's not that bad because I cleaned it before opening the door. I want to add some lights under each cabinet. I want to do a food station for the dog because it's really sad right now. And I would love to build a side fridge cabinet to add some storage space because we also need it. In the kitchen, I'm going to build a little pantry beside the fridge. It's going to be really convenient to store dry food or even dog treats. There's not much to do beside of that, but a thing I really want to add is some light under each cabinet because the lighting is really sad right now. So here's the dining room. The fact that we have a dining room is so special to me. We had a pretty small apartment, and oh my God, it's so nice to have that space to invite friends and family over. The vision for that space is inviting and festive. To do that, I want to build a little bar area with a mini fridge. I would love that. I would love a mini fridge. And I want to build a long wood table for 8 to 10 people with some nice chairs and maybe a bench. The project that I already did in that space are all the light covering that you will see here and my new charging station. I love it. It's so nice. I did it last week. I'm so excited about it. For the dining room, I really want to start with the wood table because I'm tired of eating on a plastic one. The second project will be the bar station. I'm gonna add some shelving for the alcohol bottles, and I'm going to try to find some wine glass racks. And the last thing to finish up the space will be to find a nice light to put on top of the table. You must be wondering why there's a kid bed in my living room. I'm gonna do a video about that. So here's the living room. The fact that it's open space is my favorite thing, and also that we have a lot of windows. I love natural light because I love plants and I want to add plenty of those. So The vision for the space is cozy and inviting. I want to add like some home decor, some plants, some art, some cushions. I would love to have a projector for the movie nights, and I would love to build a long, low TV stand here with a lot of storage. And the project that I already did here are the low table. I'm in love with it. It's limestone, and Barbados is made of limestone, so we love that. And this little side table and the shelves. I also bought those couch from Marketplace. I already sent this one, but I still need to send those two. In the living room, I want to build a low TV stand for more storage, and I also have been inspired by a side table made of limestone tiles. I have some at home, so I really want to try this DIY. To finish up the space, I want to add some plants, home decor, wall art, cushions, and maybe change the ceiling fan. So yeah, from here we are going into the main bedroom. Here's Sunny. The thing I love here is like the kitchen, the high ceiling. I love that. When it rains, I love the sound. It's so nice. And the fact that we have two windows with the natural light again. My vision for the space is I want it to be like an hotel feeling and cozy and calm. I'm gonna do that by building a nice bed frame. I want to add a rug. I want to put some plants, arts, and I also would love to have a projector here. So if we feel like having a movie night in the bedroom, we can have that. In my bedroom, the main project will be to build the bed frame, but I can't decide if I want it to be in wood or with fabric. Let me know what I should do in the comments. To finish up the space, I want to find the perfect art piece for this wall. I'm going to add some plants and I want to find a rug. And before leaving the space, you can go into the bathroom. I love the fact that we have an ensuite, and I also love the Italian shower. From here, we are going into the guest bedroom and also the guest bathroom. That was really important when we moved abroad, to have a space for the friend and family to come and visit. I love that. My vision for this little bedroom is cozy and inviting. It's already that, but I'm going to do some project to make it even better. So I want to build a bed frame, add a rug, put some arts, plants again, and maybe a little bench or something in the corner. For this bedroom, I want to keep it simple. I want to build a bed frame and a little bench in the corner. And to finish up the space, I would love to put maybe a plant, wall art, change the lamp because I don't like this one, and to find the perfect rug. So yeah, and the last space, last room, the office. I built that first project when we came here because we really needed a space to work, but I would love to add a big shelf here with some decor, some art, some plants again, a little area rug, change those chairs, and that's about it. I want it to be organized and clean. In the office, I want to build a wall-to-wall shelf made of wood, and I want to find some lamps to put underneath. To finish up the space, I want to add some plants, home decor, and a rug. Don't judge me for the rugs. I know I'm obsessed with them. That was my little tour. I hope you liked it. I would love to have your insights and maybe your ideas for some project. Yeah, I hope you liked it. I love my space. I love this apartment. It's so great, and it's so nice to have this kind of space, like 5-minute walk from the beach. So yeah, I'll see you soon.